Make money on Instagram with less than 10,000 followers. If you don't already have 10,000 followers on Instagram, making money may seem difficult. Did you know, however, that Instagram has over 1 billion monthly users? That's a lot of people who are eager to learn more about you and your services. We'll show you all the different ways you can make money on Instagram, even if you don't have 10,000 followers. Why is it important to have 10,000 followers? Having 10,000 Instagram followers is like reaching a tipping point. Immediately, more doors open up and making money on the site becomes a lot simpler. You get the coveted swipe up option on your stories, as well as more brands approaching you for collaborations. This feature is popular among brands because it converts at a rate of 15 to 25% per story. However, just because you don't have 10,000 followers doesn't mean you can't start making money. We'll show you the best ways to start making money on Instagram before you hit 10,000 followers, whether you're an individual influencer or a company. Let's get started. Sponsored Instagram posts will help you make money. For individual influencers, this is a very popular monetization channel. Essentially, a company pays you to produce advertorial content in the form of posts or stories for them. You'll need a strong presence among your fans, as well as confidence and commitment to accomplish this. As a result, it's important to ensure that you're only collaborating with products that you love, will use yourself, and are relevant to your niche. Your post won't get as much engagement if you're advertising antivirus apps, but your account is all about hiking. The endorsed brand would not see a return of their investment, and you will lose your audience's loyalty and credibility. If, on the other hand, your Instagram feed is dedicated to horses and horseback riding, you might easily promote a saddle shine mist. You'll get a lot of engagement this way. In a nutshell, knowing the audience is important. You might be asking yourself, how do I get brands to sponsor me when I only have a few thousand followers? It's not that difficult. That is, if you have developed a notable online presence and a positive relationship with your followers. It's also possible that brands would approach you first. Many smaller businesses looking to begin influencer marketing on Instagram will begin by contacting individual accounts with a smaller following. Besides, they, too, must begin somewhere. Promote your own e-commerce items on Instagram to make money. Why not build an Instagram account for your e-commerce store as well? This is a fantastic way to raise awareness of the items you market. Your Instagram page might be full of enticing images of people advertising your goods. If you don't have a model, you can showcase the product yourself, or if the product doesn't need a model, you can build a nice backdrop and make the product stand out. In any case, it's important to invest in a decent camera. If your Instagram feed is full of low-quality photos, users are unlikely to notice. Furthermore, if the consumer is aware that your photos are of low quality, they can infer that your product is as well. Showing sales and flash sales in the image's bio is another perfect way to market the stuff. You may also promote holiday specials and new products. Make use of a lot of emojis to get people's attention, and make sure to share it in your stories as well, because not everyone can see it on their feed. Stories are a perfect way to get creative with the content and get people to connect with it. You can use a variety of stickers to build the fear of losing out on deals, such as surveys, places, and even countdowns. Since your stories won't have the swipe up feature yet, you can use stickers that say stuff like tap here to guide users to your article. You may also use the link in bio feature, which allows people to visit your profile and click the link to your website. Want to share a connection but don't know how to use swipe up? You may include a poll in your story and ask viewers to respond by clicking yes if they're interested in what's on the other side of the connection. Then, in a message to each person who says yes, copy and paste the relation. Even better, you might employ a virtual assistant to do the copying and pasting for you, without spending $1 million. Keep in mind that you don't need 10,000 Instagram followers to promote your company. You're unlikely to get a lot of traffic and sales from Instagram alone, so you'll need to diversify your marketing efforts. However, just like anything else, it's important to develop a relationship with your audience. If you've established those relationships, your sales will almost certainly increase as a result of Instagram traffic. Dropshipping products on Instagram is a great way to make money. You can make money by marketing the goods that you dropship just as you can with e-commerce. Dropshipping is a business model similar to e-commerce, with the exception that you don't have to keep any inventory. When a customer places an order, the supplier may deliver the product to their doorstep. You won't have to think about things being stored, packed, or shipped. Due to the versatility of dropshipping, many dropshippers tend to use Instagram as their primary marketing channel because there's less risk in experimenting with which products will sell well. Plus, it's absolutely open. You'll never waste startup money if your Instagram orders surge or plummet. Dropshipping is a perfect way to make money from your Instagram following if you have less than 10,000 followers. Make a link with your audience and have a simple call to action so that your customers know where to go when they want to buy the product, just like in e-commerce. Offer your own goods on Instagram to make money. Do you have any experience with ebooks? Which is more important, fitness or travel guides? What about physical objects such as bracelets? Many designers only use Instagram to sell their goods, with only a small website to view the items and accept payments. You don't even need an e-commerce store to accomplish this. You can also use Instagram to sell items by labeling them in an image. This type of post allows users to access product information and pricing. It also provides users with a connection to the product's purchase page. You can do this without having 10,000 fans, unlike the swipe up feature in Sales. All you have to do is create a business account, link it to your Facebook page, agree to the merchant agreement, and sell mostly physical goods. You can also use hashtags to get in front of the right audience. A good hashtag will guide you to a page with related photos. As a result, if anyone is searching for a necklace, they will most likely see your post alongside everyone else's. However, all you need to do to stand out is create excellent material. Even if you don't have 10,000 followers, we hope this tutorial has motivated you to get out there and start making money on Instagram. Remember, it's all about making connections with your followers and engaging them. If you want to know more financial tips like these, make sure to give this video a like and click subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.